Welcome to your 5-minute standing yoga flow. Hi, my name is Mary Colendo. Meet me in standing at attention Samastitihi at the top of your mat. Find a comfortable distance between your feet. Connect your hands in front of your heart. Inhale, lift your shoulders. Exhale, loop them down. Inhale, raise your shoulders. Exhale, shrug them down. Drop your hands down by your side. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana, reach your arms up. Exhale, forward fold, hinge from your hips, soften your knees, pull your navel in. Inhale, halfway lift, place your hands lightly onto your shins or thighs, extend your heart out. Exhale, forward fold. On your next inhale, press yourself up and reach high. Exhale, Samastitihi, hands to your heart. Now deeply bend your knees. Inhale, chair, Utkatasana, sweep your arms up. On your exhale, sink a little lower into your seat. Pull your navel in, melt your shoulders down. Send air into your lungs. When you exhale, twist to your right with open arms. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, twist to your left with open arms. Inhale, bring your arms back to center. Press yourself up and reach high. Exhale, interlace your hands behind your lower back. Inhale, pull your grip down, lean back. When you exhale, fold forward, draw your belly button in. Lower your hands. With soft knees, roll yourself slowly back up. Step your feet leg distance apart. From deep within your hip, rotate your right leg out until your right toes are facing the shoulder edge of your mat. Let your left toes follow. Deeply bend your right knee. Lengthen your torso. Open your arms to the front and back to arrive in Warrior Two. Inhale, reverse warrior. Reach your right arm up and your left arm down. Breathe in, reach back. Exhale, come back to Warrior Two. Bring your hands to your hips, parallel your feet. From deep within your hip, rotate your left leg out until your left toes are facing the shoulder edge of your mat. Let your right toes follow. Deeply bend your left knee. Lengthen up. Warrior Two. Reach your left arm forward and your right arm back. Inhale, reverse warrior. Lift your left arm, lower your right hand. Take one more deep inhale, reach back. Exhale, Warrior Two. Bring your hands back to your hips, parallel your feet. Deep inhale, lift your chest. As you exhale, find a wide-legged forward fold. Hinge from your hips. Lower your torso and hands. Hollow out your belly. Bring your hands back to your hips. Root so you can grow. As you inhale, come back up. Exhale, step or jump together. Hands to your heart. Namaste.